Sourdough folks, listen up because it's time to unbox a new sourdough kit for me. I'm excited for this because this company reached out to me to send me a sample and I already used some of their sourdough supplies, so I'm excited to get this kit. Let's check it out. The box comes marked as fragile, which is good. Inside we get instruction manual. This one comes with a scale, which I love. It comes with a cup for measuring your liquids. Very well packed. This is for your starter. I love that this has a nice wide open top. I can always use an extra spoon. Here is your band for measuring your starter. I already use one of their jars like this, and I love it. This is my favorite jar to use. Temperature gets put right there, so you can always know the temperature of your starter. Here's your cloth lid for when you're feeding your starter. This can go on the top if you need to put it in your fridge, or it can sit on the bottom. I often use it on the bottom to keep my jar from moving around. Some extra things that this one comes with that some of my others have not come with. You get your bannetons. These are like the wicker bannetons, 2 different shapes. I love this shape. Each banneton comes with a cloth to put in it. So when your bread is doing its cold ferment, you can set it right down in there. Spatula for mixing. Like I said, this jar has a nice big wide rim so you don't get things trapped up underneath there, and this can fit right down in there. Great. Little Danish dough whisk. Another scraper. I have lots of scrapers. Actually, my scraper that I have that's my favorite one came from them. Bread slings. You do not have to have a bread sling to bake. I love bread sling though, instead of using parchment. Ooh, 2 of them. One for round, one for oval. Love this for me. So these you can use inside your Dutch oven when you're baking. Silicone, heat safe, dishwasher safe, and then of course another lom and lom blades. I can always use blades for my loms. So if you're on a sourdough journey, everything you need to get started is in this. You've got your jar for measuring and starting your starter. You've got a scale for your starter, which is super important. These don't come with everything. You often have to order these separately. And your bannetons, I ordered all of these things separate when I first started. So having everything all together to me is certainly a plus. Check it out for yourself. Definitely recommend. I'm excited to use this for my sourdough.